Hey, my name is Ray Friedman. I'm teaching Leading Change. I'm a professor at the Owen Graduate School of Management at Vanderbilt. Leading Change is great to teach. It's a lot of fun for a couple reasons. One is everyone I have in class is dealing with changes. It's something that's central to what's going on in life and business and organizations around the country and around the world. So it's a real active skill that people want to develop. They can bring into the classroom live cases that they're going through, and they can see the immediate impact of the concepts and ideas they're learning. The other reason I love to teach Leading Change is it's a very participative kind of program. We go through cases where you're not just hearing about the cases, but you're asked to think about what you would do and why. And that gives you practice and it really brings up different ideas of how you should approach situations that draw on all the skills and background and experience of the participants in the room. The way I organize the class is we have the first day building up a set of concepts and models, and those concepts are then applied in several cases. One of them is a day-long simulation that we have on day 2, and that lets people take the ideas and practice, get feedback from the computer in the simulation to see if it works, it doesn't work, and understand why. And if you're in a leadership role, it's a skill you need to develop.